For life. Amon. So, let me go my way now. Amen!
Jambox, I am the Jambox. Oh, you mean Jambox? I am the Jambox.
Oh, yeah, we pass!
Break a rush, good up and chill. Climb up a fence, everybody.
Let me go through. Yeah, man. Kayak Mass 2025, we on the road with the real job in the morning time. Too many people in the place. Yes, I'm talking to
Everybody on it, even myself.
same time now. Big up to the police officers that be playing. Wait till. Hey, me one time say sign up. Richie, scroll it now. I say, oh my God. While you're drinking, I say, oh God. Otherwise, that teacher, that sunset bottle gone now. It's an empty sunset bottle now.
What you do?
What?
Tell me.
Yo.
What do you? What do you? Max in church. Max in church. Are you going drinking something on your own this morning? You're going to the real chap. Hey, March 2025. What you say? Play my artist. Play my artist. What we do?
Jumping up in his element, whatever you do is getting really damn so much.
There we go.
Yo, yes.
What you say that? That one you need.
Yo, tell them.
Right, March 2025. What we do?
Jumping up in his element, whatever you do is getting really damn so much like this. Jumping up in his element, whatever you do is getting
We got people who want to walk that dog carry. What you do?
we don't play some bad job. We don't play some bad job. We don't play some bad job. We don't play some bad job.
We got somebody who want to drinking something. We got people who want drinking something on the road. What we gonna play now?
Say Shabalika, Chabalika, 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 Chabalika.
We got the road. What you say?
Keep coming,
Right, March 2025. We on the road. What we do? I want somebody to lean back on the road. Lean back on the road. Lean back. Lean back.
She bring me back the sun. I said she like that. She said she know a man. She like that. Break a set up.
Well, yeah. He's a different than the show. He's a different. He's a different. What you do? 2025. Anyone in the show do? Say moja. Shots. Let them play the way for me. Anyway. Let them play the way for me. Let me go. Tell me. Remember to be listen.
What's in about the Caribbean? See, we don't show us anywhere we land.
What you do?
But I am a greedy girl.
Well, let me show up. Oh, it's
I don't have nobody on your man. We don't have to be friends to study that.
let me show up. Let me go. Oh, shit, it's me that day. Tell me. Forward. Reach up to the new what you do? Alex, hold on. Let me stay out of it. Stop, get in. Open the wall. Like no one knows. Hey, Max, 2025, you ready to go? Real jump. Let me go. What is it doing? What you do? Just give me shoe. What you say?
Ready for the chabagi. She call with a hit. She say I go hit. Say she coming no. I day now when the fed drinking a little rum. She tell me don't make another rum. And before I start the fun, she want me to wait for she to come. She want me to wait for she to come. She want me to wait for she to come.
And she made it go as we say, Money, I don't really care. When I reach inside of the road, we say we full up and we full up drunk. Tell them woman we coming down. Woman winding up with her tongue. Want to smash it up and you know. Want to come with a blender. Tell me what to show me. Want to come with a blender. Tell me what I say.
I want your man to must money there, shake up the much and I want your man to must money there, shake up the much and I 1, 2, 3, let me go now. People say we need to go to church. They make them women behind a big truck. I see my man present that she go be a 5, she go be a 6, she go be a 10, she go be a 11, she go be a 20, guys, see how you doing the lingo, why not doing the shampoo? Don't tell me what I don't do, why not only the I'm talking to you, don't tell me I'm married to. You see that type of girl out there? You are the best, keep up the good work. You are the best, keep up the good work. Yeah, you are the best. And you put quality with yourself, you know. One time, same time, you know. I want to go. Baby girl, you see you with your everything on back. I want you right now, Bobby. You want it? Let me tell them what the bad boys and that shit. Let me go. I'll tell you. Touch the head. That one way, you know what? You want to get heavy. I want to heavy. Everybody's got to move. What do? She's not too complete. Don't do what you don't stick around up and all the clothes. Everybody. All I need is a baby girl, I see you. When you bring that in, inside there? Anybody from Union inside there? Anybody from Fire inside there? Give it to the one. Come on, give it to the bubble up on it. Ladies and watch out, put up for me. Hold on, watch it. After that, stop. Oh, after that. After that, start to move like y'all. Start to move. You just come to walk. And don't want to teach. If you want to go away, then go into the top of what walk your story.
Anytime you're honey, you walk your corner. I walk in 20 miles, so we'll be charming. She get back life.
Come on. Where's your new one? You got somebody who will see. This is the real top job. Hold on. What you do? Hey, come in up. What I just start you here? What you say? Oh, you do? Show me again. Give me. And then she. Okay. See now. Where's your new one? And then she. What's she doing? Say 3 days a week. The teacher to give bread without using it. Yo, let me come through. Nice and easy, let me take flow. What you say? Listen to DJ, get DJ shots, million your song when you want. Kayak Mass 2025. Gonna read the big ass shot. What you say?
Where you see my girl?
What you doing?
I see her begin to go, and then she suck up my ball, and then she spit up the gospel. I see her begin to go, and then she suck up my ball, and then she spit up the gospel.
What you doing?
The doctor train your girl, 3 days a week. The teacher to give bread without using it.
See the ladies inside very cool. What they do? Shots. Ready for me again? Santorini. Salisha. Santorini. Santorini. Come on, come on, see what you're on. Come on. What you say? Real spin. Real spin. So can I head wheels? Real spin. Real spin. You don't want like that. What you say? I just want to get my head lost so take a blade this time, I don't want to drum. Come again, I just want to get my head lost so let me friend going to we do this thing. Run. Say let's run. Reach out to you. Let me go. Ready? Give me shoot. What you see? Shots. 1, 2, 3 for me. I want to start and I want to stand about jumping next. Let me go. What you say? Reach up somebody run. Let me check up through. Let me go. So don't tell me road. Let me go. Let me traffic flow. Let me flow nice and easy. So let the next tonight. What you say? What you do? Pull up. Play it up from this side, Daniel. Ready? Give me two. We're gonna be taking calories. It's a big carrot goal. Vinci, Grenada, you just can't miss carnival. What you see? Sunday, 2025. We're talking let me show up. Yeah. Listen. On the road. So send it everybody for me again. Somebody put it up. Watch out. Yo, please, just let me chop up too nice and easy. Don't tell me roll. The more you make it chop pass, more mass you play. Shots ready again. Ready. Let me come to you. He's on the road, let me come to you nice and easy. Don't tie up the road. Let me come. Don't tie up the road. You're oil in the road. You don't want nobody getting hurt. Nice and easy, let me go. Forward. Let me go. David. Shot this way. See shit. Tell me what we do. Tell me. So bad the gun. I want to make tune again. Let me go on. Let me come through. Okay, let me pass. Don't tell me the road. You want to make it short, flow mass and pour mass play. Let me go. Forward. Ready way. Sit ready way. Yo. Bring it on, you best pass my far. Bring it on, you best jump in the whole wide world. Bring it on, you best pass my
here we go. 1, 2, 3. Guys, are the ladies there? Ladies, this one is for you. Give me some levels. Yeah, good.